Just wanted to show you guys our little forging press that we made over the winter. My brother, of course, put Big Ben on there. Says it was my idea, but he did a lot of work on it, so I'd say it's a collaborative effort here. Just want to take a minute and kind of go over it, kind of show you what we did and how we did it. Start off with down the bottom down here, there is a hydraulic unit and reservoir. We didn't even bolt it down. It's just sitting on a piece of channel here down here on the bottom. It's something that, you know, we'll work on it as we go. Probably should be bolted down. And then those little hydraulic pumps and reservoir there you can get from Northern Tool. And then real simple, came up here, little electrical switch on the back, turn it on and off, and then go over and get plugged into the wall. And that can be 110 or 240. We hooked it up for 240, a little bit lower amp draw on it, and just put a specialty plug in just for that. Then you have your hydraulic lines. The hydraulic lines just come up around right up to the cylinder. The cylinder we got from Tractor Supply. I originally had a 3.5 inch by 8 inch cylinder on there, and it worked okay. But going from a 3.5 to a 4 inch made a big difference. From there, all this is a couple of pieces of angle iron welded together, make the platform there, come up, and this is just a piece of steel welded to 2 pieces of angle. And you can see we put a little bit of a space between them to fill it in there and help stabilize a little bit. Drilled a hole through for the pin. Then down here where these jaws are, we made these so you can take these out. And then we'll put different dies in there. That's just a square one for right now to flatten it out in every direction. You can put round ones in to elongate it, or you can put different ones in. We've made ones that even have you know, a square so that you can crush a can of Damascus steel. Make some canister Damascus. And you can see the top plate's the same thing. Just some cheap thin stock there that we use for the bottom plate. Figured it was enough to put it in there. You can see we just welded pieces to make a channel for that to slide in and out of. And the back is just one big I-beam. Top comes over, just a second I-beam welded to it. We put a piece of plate steel on both sides just to reinforce that web of the I-beam. Drilled a hole through there and put a pin for the top of the cylinder. Pretty simple design. Now your hydraulic valve we have is just like a normal log splitter, just a handle valve. Got that from Tractor Supply as well. And we just took and welded a piece of angle iron to it. So it comes off of the arm for the handle, comes down, then welds to another piece that comes over. So you can see that piece of channel is just welded to 2 pieces of angle iron on each side. Here is welded down to the base. And then that just gives it the pivot on those 2 bolts. So as you can see, you can step on it. If you rock it back, the handle goes up. If you rock it forward, the handle goes down. It just makes it simpler so that you don't have to use a handle while you're using hot metal up here. You can just put your foot on the pedal, rock it back and forth, and away it goes. So just to demonstrate, turn the switch on, hydraulic pump's running, foot on. That's all there is to it.